Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day in paradise, and we are up at the top of Cinco de Diciembre, a beautiful hilltop neighborhood with amazing views. And we are showcasing Costa Rica 1275 today, a stunning penthouse here at the top of the hill, designed in a custom mid-century style. Come on in, we'll take a look. We're about to host some clients here this morning, and we have everything ready for their arrival. Allen bar stools, classic mid-century style here at the marble top bar. Beautiful, comfortable seating arrangement that takes advantage of the full 180-degree views from here. Some artwork. We'll actually be curating a show this weekend with Galleria Pacifico, so watch out for that. Little lounge nook here, kind of deciding on the artwork today. And this unit has a very square, very symmetrical volume with two identical master bedrooms with their own terraces, built-in custom cabinetry, and a beautiful, spacious working kitchen, just as spacious as most people have in their primary residence. All the appliances and details. Lovely little nook there with a classic arch lamp, and just a stunning dining room table set up. Natural wood plank dining room table with an ironwork pattern inlay. Beautiful, comfortable padded seating. Fantastic mid-century lighting all the way through, and a perfect place to host holidays and special occasion dinners. Behind me here, you'll see the, again, second master bedroom, identical to the first. Super plush, super comfortable, fantastic memory foam, hybrid mattresses, a great night's sleep. And if you follow me up these amazing architecturally rendered stairs, open style staircase, we will hit the private terrace.